Hello, my name is Christopher Knight, and I will be your host for the evening. Please welcome the man who is always mid-sneeze.
Thank you for having me.
Of course. What is your name? Fun fact, if you sneeze and fart at the same time, your body takes a screenshot.
Or a shit.
We can't curse on here.
Why the f*** not? Well, Todd, listen. When you're in as much pain as I am, you really don't give a fucking shit. God.
Okay. How long have you had this condition?
Since 2009. One day I sneezed, and never again. I never sneezed again. Yeah, I never. Wait. Oh God. I have to order most of my food.
Are you unable to cook?
I tried cooking soup one day. I almost blew myself in the next week.
I'm really sorry. This sounds like a very difficult condition. Do you have any advice for the good folks at home?
Yeah, I do. Never sneeze in public, or on Tuesdays, and or near balloons.
Deep thoughts. Truly deep thoughts.
You may never get what you want in life.
Okay, that's gonna do it for us tonight. I'm
Practice
Christopher
and
Knight.
learn patience.
No, stop it.
Like me. But it's like I have a
Okay,
choice.
that's gonna do it for us. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you all, and we will see you in the next one. Thank you very much.